Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can put our PC to hibernate on Windows 11. This means our PC will be turned off in a way, but when we power it on, it will resume to the previous state. Maybe you want to save your work for later, but don't know when you'll be back? Stay with us and you'll see a great way to save power and time. What we need to mention is that this option was designed for laptops and might not be available for all PCs. For example, PCs with Instant Go don't have the Hibernate option. Also, your computer still needs power, but much lesser than when it's turned on. First, we need to left-click on the Start button and then start typing Control. And the Control Panel app should appear here under Best Match. Left-click to open it. Alternatively, you can left-click in the search bar over here and start typing Control. Straight away, and again you will see it under Best Match. And left-click. And it will open it in the same manner. Here we need to mention that we have two views, which you can change by left-clicking on the blue button over here on the top right. If you have large icons, what you need to do is just left-click on Power Options over here on the left, and then left-click on Choose what the power buttons do over here. If you have, for example, category view and see the icons in this manner, left-click on System and Security, and then you can find the power options over here. Left-click again, and now we want to go to the link that says choose what the power buttons do, and left-click. Here we have a blue button that says change settings that are currently unavailable. Left-click once, and now we can change the settings over here at the bottom. And we need to left-click on this little checkbox next to Hibernate, and then left-click on Save Changes. And now if we left-click on Start and then on the Power button, we will see the Hibernate option here, which wasn't there before if you were looking for it. Hibernate is more power efficient than Sleep, but the PC starts slower. Use Hibernation when you know that you won't use your laptop or tablet for an extended period and won't have an opportunity to charge the battery during that time. That's it guys, thank you for watching our video, subscribe for future tips.